Yo, 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 it is your boy Zoken back with another video, and you read the title down below, YouTube. We're going to be drawing in the Attack on Titan art style. This tutorial video I actually put off for the longest time, like literally the past 16 episodes I planned to do this, but I just kept putting it off. Because for me personally, the Attack on Titan art style is a little bit tricky, it's a little bit, you know, but like, you know, I just said whatever, let's just do it, let's just see how it goes. So this is like an attempt. Don't take my word for it that this is the sure way to draw in this art style, because there's probably people who do this better than I do. But yeah, this is just my interpretation. Hopefully you guys take it, you know, for what it is, you know, hopefully it helps you guys. Anyways, we're gonna be drawing myself as a human and then as a Titan. So anyways, let's just get started and let's go. Okay, so first things first, we're just gonna be drawing the little outline, trying to figure out the pose we want to do, and this is gonna be like a generic, you know, just straight on face forward pose. And right here I'm just trying to figure out the proportions, trying to figure out how I want to do it. And I finished the outline and I'm drawing the face, and I noticed like the head is all wobbly, so I'm about to fix it in a second. See, I flipped the image, and you want to always continuously flip the image, because right when you do that you see your mistakes literally all the time. I think I mentioned this in like every single video, but always flip your image. That way you're going to see the mistakes that you make, because your eyes always play tricks on you. Your eyes want to be perfect, but it's never perfect, so continuously flip the image and you'll see your flaws. So right here, I'm drawing the face. I got it all figured out. It's just a generic, it's literally the face I always draw is literally like, it's almost all similar. Like every time I draw myself in any art style, it's always like a similar look, and it's usually like the eyes are usually like sharp and curved. And also I want to mention this hairstyle that I'm drawing. The Attack on Titan hairstyles are like normal hairstyles. Like this is like a little anime-esque, and you wouldn't achieve this hairstyle unless you had like gel, which I don't think exists in the Attack on Titan world. And yeah, but I'm just doing it because, you know, I'm trying to draw myself. I'm not gonna draw like just a whatever thing, you know. But yeah, I just finished drawing basically the sketch, and now I'm just tracing over it with the outline, you know, trying to get as much straight lines as I possibly can, which is actually always tough for me, because I feel like other people draw better line art than I do, which I'm always like looking at tutorials on how to improve my line art, which so far, I feel like it's helped, but I feel like I could do way better at the same time. Also, you notice like the little lines in throughout the image, the shading lines, I don't know what to call it, but like a lot of the AOT like drawings in the art style use that line to emphasize like the depth in the character's face, to emphasize the emotion. Usually when they're like angry, or I don't want to say angry, like I don't know, it's like when they emphasize emotion, but not necessarily like a happier emotion, more towards like a sad or angry emotion, if that makes sense, or a neutral emotion sometimes. But like, yeah, I'm trying to emphasize that's like the biggest thing I've noticed from the AOT art style, is the lines to emphasize the character. Also, it's used a lot to emphasize like the fighting scenes, like characters' actions. Well, I guess that's like along the same ballpark, but like it's used a lot in that too, like in the fighting scenes, like with the Titans and whatnot. And also you may see like little glimpses here and there of the Titans that I drew, because I actually drew the human form last and the Titans first. So if you see it, just close your eyes, just pretend you didn't see it, so you can be surprised later on. I mean, it's just a quick glimpse, so like you'll blink one time and you won't even see it. Anyways, right here I'm adding the colors in, you know, just doing like the flats, and then I did red here, but I felt like it didn't really match the AOT aesthetic of the world, so I put black, and it actually fit way better. Like the only thing red I could think of in the AOT world is Mikasa's scarf. That's the only thing I can really think, and it's not even red in the manga, it's only red in the anime. But yeah, so I think the black actually fit way better. And I'm right here, I'm doing the shading, doing like a more of like a painted effect, because I noticed like a lot of the illustrations, especially like the manga covers and whatnot, have this like slight painted effect. So I'm trying to low-key emulate that, and hopefully I actually was able to do it. Okay, so here's the lore. Okay, I'm about to put up a picture, and I did a time lapse for this, but I'm not gonna show it on YouTube because I just don't want to get demonetized. And I know Titans don't have any genitals, but Yeah, it's kind of funny. It's just a little troll thing. So, anyways, my guy gets turned into this pure Titan, and then he eats one of the 9 Titans. I'm gonna go over it in a second. Well, you can kind of guess part of it. I'm going for the attack Titan, but I'm also going for like another Titan at the same time. Okay, so bear with me. So theoretically, and I'm going to spoilers. So if you haven't seen, well, slight spoilers. So if you haven't seen season 4, just kind of mute this part. Um, anyway, so theoretically, you can have every single Titan as long as you eat every single Titan. You know, or as long as you eat the wielder of all the Titans. So you know how Eren has the founding Titan and he has the attack Titan, and he recently just got the Warhammer Titan. So theoretically, he could have all 9 of them if he just takes all 9 of them. Like he was about to eat the Jaw Titan before Reiner saved Porco. And yeah, so theoretically, Eren could have all the Titans. So right now, what I'm going for is the attack Titan and the Jaw Titan. So like, but with my interpretation of it, of course. Honestly, I'll admit, like this spark of this thought, like it just randomly like sparked in my head as I was drawing this. Like I was drawing the teeth and I was like, hold up, this kind of looks like Hollow Ichigo. So I was like, wait a second, like the Jaw Titan kind of looks like a hollow mask. So I was like, what if I like did a thing, you know, the attack Titan and the Jaw Titan, like what if, you know? And then, like this is what I got. Like the whites on the eyes are black. Like that's sick, bro. Like could you imagine like Ichigo as a Titan, like Hollow Ichigo as a Titan? Like low-key, you could take, you know that one form he had, like not the Vastalode form, but like the one before, or like I don't remember when it happened, but like he had like the hair sticking out like all spiky and it was long at the bottom. Not the Vastalode form, but the one before that. I don't know, I can't quite place it, but like that form, low-key, if you like if you bigified him to like Titan size, like low-key, that would like wreck all the Titans. Like, well, I feel like Bleach characters in general would wreck all the Titans, but like just take away, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like Eren is low-key like the Godzilla Titan, like with the fucking blue fire breath, except it's a Sero, you know. I don't know, I'm just rambling at this point. So right here, I didn't know if I wanted to go for the Hollow Mask vibe, so I painted the face the same color as the skin, and the little parts like by his jaw, like on the sides, I painted it pink because I thought it'd be a cool aesthetic if like it showed like the lack of skin, so like when he opens his mouth, you can kind of see like the jaw like stretch, you know, if that makes any sense. Pause. Yeah. Anyways, I'm coloring the face. I'm coloring the hair black, because that's the same color as my hair. And also I wanted to mention for the hair, like it's kind of like a, I don't know what it calls, like it looks like a rock and roll kind of vibe, like a mullet looking. It looks like a mullet, yeah. But I was just imagining like, what if like I did like my hairstyle, but like I Super Saiyan 4'd it, like if that makes sense, you know? Yeah. And then like right here, as you can see, like, you know, I was just like, it actually looks way better if I added the Hollow Mask. And I didn't want to like copy Bleach too much, but it was just too cool not to pass up, so I just stuck with it. And of course, right here I'm adding the shading throughout the image, the hair, the face, etc., etc. And this particular drawing I did is very like sketchy, as opposed to like the human body I did and the next one you're gonna see, which is actually a lot kind of fitting with the Attack on Titan manga, like the pages within the Attack on Titan manga, because it's very like sketchy, if that makes sense. It actually looks like a drawing, you know, as opposed to like inked with pen and all that yada yada yada. Actually it looks like a drawing, which like I said fits with the Attack on Titan manga aesthetic within the pages. So for this, I'm going to be drawing the same Titan, but like a little bit more of a side profile angle, a little bit more of like a dynamic pose, if that makes sense. I just wanted to show like the Titan. Basically, I wanted to draw him like roaring, you know. So I'm flipping back and forth, you know, trying to like take mental notes. Not mental notes. I'm trying to like copy the aesthetic of the previous drawing I did, and yeah, I'm just trying to basically match up both drawings is what I'm trying to say. And I actually forgot to make him yell, so I fixed his mouth right here. So it actually looks like he's roaring, and you can see the side of the jaws, like how it's actually stretching. Like I feel like this angle, you can see that aesthetic more, which is what I was going for with the last picture. Not that you couldn't see it, but like this angle, it just fits perfectly for that. And right here, I'm just doing the line art as per usual. And actually, I actually think I did pretty good with this line art for this particular drawing. And with this angle, you could kind of see like the aesthetic I'm going for with the Attack Titan mixed with the Jaw Titan. As you can see, like it has the Attack Titan body. It has like the teeth and like the facial structure of the Jaw Titan, and even has the claws or the sharp nails / claws on the hands. Kind of like, I was kind of going for like a saber tooth kind of like hands, like his, you know how he has like the sharp nails from, I'm talking about Sabretooth from X-Men. Actually, I think Yumiya's Jaw Titan actually had the nails too. I know like Porco's Titan has like, it's not the nails, it's just like, it's like the sharp, is it nail? It's, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like sharp, like little like pointy things coming out of his fingers. Maybe it is nails, but like it's like, I don't know, it's different. I don't know how to describe it. It's a different aesthetic, that's for sure. And right here, I added in the flat colors, and now I'm adding in the shading, and pretty soon I'm gonna add in the highlights, just slight highlights to finish up this image. But yeah, that's gonna be basically it. Hopefully this helped you guys a lot. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Also check this out real quick. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully it was somewhat informative. Hopefully you just basically enjoyed the video. Hopefully you found it amusing. I don't know what to say. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna be posting more often. I actually just moved out, I forgot to mention. So I'm in my own place. I got a lot more free time, a lot more free space to record, and more freedom basically, just to like put out more videos and do what I want to do for you guys. But yeah, also I want to mention I stream about 3 to 5 times a week on twitch.tv/ZokenPlays. I'm gonna put the link down in the bio. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below, and I'm gonna put it right here too on the screen. Hopefully you guys can tune in and watch me play some video games or live draw. I actually do a lot of live drawing. But yeah, hopefully you guys tune in to that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah.